In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Mailchimp sign-up form into your Squarespace website for 2025. This tutorial will guide you through the entire process step by step to ensure your new form is up and running smoothly in no time. Let's get started with creating your Mailchimp sign-up form. The first thing you need to do is log into your Mailchimp account by visiting mailchimp.com. Once you're in, navigate to the Forms section and select Other Forms from the options available. From there, you'll want to choose Embedded Forms. This option allows you to create a form that can be inserted directly into your Squarespace site. Now, let's move on to customizing your form. This is an important step as it determines what information you'll be collecting from your visitors. You have the flexibility to select which fields this form should include, such as a person's name, email, phone number, and any other details that are relevant to your needs. Once you've decided on the fields, click Continue to proceed. This will take you to a page where you can review and finalize your form's layout. When you're happy with how the form looks, simply copy the HTML code provided by Mailchimp. You'll need this in the next steps to embed your form into Squarespace. Now that we have our form ready, let's transition to adding it to your Squarespace website. Start by logging into your Squarespace account. Once inside, navigate to the specific website where you want this form to appear. When you're there, select the edit option for the page you have in mind. This allows you to make changes to the content of that page. Once in the editing mode, you'll need to choose the exact spot where your form should be displayed. This might be the top of the page, the sidebar, or any section that suits your layout. When you've identified the desired location, click on the plus icon to add a new content block. Among the various options that appear, you'll want to select Code from the list. This is where you'll be pasting that HTML code we copied from Mailchimp earlier, so go ahead and paste it into the code block. Finally, once everything is pasted and looking good, click Apply to save the changes. This step will integrate the Mailchimp form into your Squarespace site seamlessly. And there you have it, you've successfully embedded your Mailchimp sign-up form into your Squarespace website. By following these steps, you can effectively gather information from visitors and grow your contact list, all integrated directly into the design of your site. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips.